Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make an easy recipe, red onion marinated. It's so simple, so easy, and so good on your burgers, and absolutely delicious. And we are going to make it together. It's very simple, very easy, takes no time at all. So what we need for this recipe is, of course, 1 red onion, a half teaspoon of salt or a little bit more, 1 teaspoon of pickling spices, which has mustard seed, 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm using coconut sugar, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, and olive oil. And one other thing that we need is a mason jar with a lid. So we are going to marinate it and then we'll keep it in this jar in the refrigerator. First thing first, we are going to clean the onion. Take away all the skin and everything that is wilted. This is a big onion, so might even not need a whole onion. It won't fit into our jar. So we clean the onion. Whew, this is making me cry. Oh no, not again. Why do you hate me? Why? Do you cry when you peel an onion? I always cry. I don't know why. Doesn't matter. Unless it's a white, sweet onion, that is not so bad. But the rest, they always make me cry. So we are going to slice the onion. First, cut it in two. And then I like to slice it from one end to the other. So going across this way, not this way, but this way. So from one pole to the other, sort of. And cut it thin slices. Just like that. I sliced the onion and now I'm going to put it in this bowl and I'm going to pour over. I boiled some water in a kettle and I'm going to pour hot water, boiling water over the onion and let it sit for 30 minutes. So we are going to let it sit for 30 minutes. These onions really made me cry today. Anyhow, so 30 minutes have passed and I'm going to strain them. So using a strainer, I want to keep the liquid. And then from this liquid, I'm going to take half a cup and I'm going to add to it the vinegar, the salt, the spices, oil, sugar, and I'm going to give it a stir, just to stir everything together. I'm going to put the onion into the jar and pour the liquid over. That's very easy, very simple. I promised a simple recipe and this is so delicious and it keeps in the refrigerator for 2 weeks. Now I'm going to pour the mixture, water, vinegar, sugar, and you can add, if you want a kick, you can add dry red pepper flakes if you want to be a little bit hot. Perfect. Almost all of it went in. So you don't need to remember the recipe. I'm going to leave the ingredients in the description below. So this is how it looks. It's all filled with the onion and liquid. Just push everything in, make sure it's covered. And then I'm going to leave it on the counter for a couple of hours because this is still warm, to let it cool completely, and then you can refrigerate it and keep it in the refrigerator for 2 weeks or so. Look at this, and the color, it's so great. Delicious on burgers, on tacos. It's tangy and a little bit sweet. Perfect. That's it. All done. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Give it a try. Let me know in the comments how you liked it. I appreciate you watching this video. Come back again. Bye for now.